Hey guys, welcome back. This is Max again. In my previous video, I show you how to enable Hyper-V and create an extended network adapter that connects to my Wi-Fi on the local host in order to hit the internet. Now, I'm gonna show you how to create a new virtual machine. So in the first video, I show you how to get to the Hyper-V by clicking the down arrow and going to all the apps. And basically, you're gonna find Hyper-V among the apps here. But now I have Hyper-V at this stage. I pin Hyper-V to my taskbar, and it's easier to get to Hyper-V like that. And we're gonna create a new virtual machine because I've already created a server. Now we're gonna create a new virtual machine in this server. Okay, so you wanna right click on the server name and create a new virtual machine, and we're gonna click next. This is just an informational page. You don't need much on it. You can even click don't show again, and it's not gonna show you this page. Alright, now the name of this virtual machine is gonna be Windows 2008 R2. Actually, Windows Server 2008 R2. And I'm gonna make another video to show you guys how to get Windows Server 2008 for free, or basically any Windows Server operating system you need. Now we're gonna just stick with the first generation Hyper-V, which also supports previous operating system or previous software. Gonna click next. So by default it has 512 memory, which is the RAM, and the minimum RAM required for Windows Server 2008 R2 is actually 512, but it is recommended that you use 2 gig. All right, but for now I'm just gonna give it 1 gig. So 1 gig is gonna be 1024. And I don't want to use dynamic because dynamic is depending on the load of the operating system at the time. Dynamic is going to reach out and use some of the memory from the physical host if there's a lot of stuff running on the virtual machine. So let's stick with our 112 right now. And to connect, we're going to use our extended network that we created in the previous video. If you want to know how to create a network connection, please watch my previous video. Now this is our server. We're gonna create a hard disk. Now the minimum disk required for Windows Server operating system is 10 gig, but it is recommended that you have at least 40 gigs. So I'm not gonna be doing much with this server right now, so I'm just gonna give it 30 gig. Okay, disks cost money, so let's save a bit on it. But you could give it 40 is recommended, but it's 10 gig is the requirement, so I'm 3 times above the requirement. I don't mind because I'm not gonna use it that much. Now we could choose to install the operating system later, or we could choose to install the operating system right now. And if you choose to install it right now, you have 2 options: either to install it from a CD or to install it from an ISO image that is already existing on your desktop. Now I have an ISO image, so we're gonna flow with the ISO. It's my ISO. Actually, I got it in my Oracle because I do a lot with Oracle products. Now, all right, I have my Windows Server right here. That's my Windows Server ISO. No, we stick with this and we click next, and it collects all the information from the operating system from the virtual machine we just created. This is the name, this is the generation we are using, this is the amount of RAM we gave it, this is the network adapter we created, this is the hard disk location and size we created, and so the operating system will be installed from, yep, that's the path, that's the location where the current ISO file lives, and it's gonna create the virtual machine for us. And in another video, I'm gonna walk you through the installation of Windows Server 2008. I'm not gonna make this video very long. Right after we create the virtual machine, we're gonna stop the video right here and create another video to show you how to install Windows Server. Alright, now it's gonna take a few seconds, but it's not gonna be too long. Now we are done. So it has already created a virtual machine for us. As you can see, this is the Windows Server 2008 R2 and it's off. So in order to put it on, we want to start the virtual machine. Starting up. So if we double click on it, it's going to open like this. And I'm not ready to start it right now, but I'm gonna end the video right here, and we're gonna walk you through the installation in our next video. Thanks for watching. But as you can see, the virtual machine was successfully created and is starting up.